everyone, how's it going? Welcome to this video about the Primal Grow. So if you are looking to get to know more about the Primal Grow and how to use it, what's it even used for, watch this video until the very end. Today, I will be sharing everything and so much more that you need to know about the Primal Grow before you guys purchase this supplement and start using it. There is much important information that I think is very important for you to know, so listen up and stay tuned until the very end. Alright guys, before we just jump into this video, let me tell you that if you do intend on purchasing the Primal Grow, the only place you need to go to get it is their official website. That is why I will be leaving the link to its official website just below this video here in the description box. I'm gonna help you guys out. It's gonna be a click away. You will be purchasing the original Primal Grow without having any complications with it, and also if you need a refund, that is the place you need to go afterwards. Alright, so Primal Grow is a natural supplement to increase limb size that has proven to work for more than 64,000 to 65,000 men out there. The formula allows your member to grow up to 3 inches in just 30 days. And the good news is that the supplement has been clinically and scientifically proven. So, it means that this formula will not cause any side effects. The ingredients used in Primal Grow came from natural plants, herbs, and also from 3 different continents. Primal Grow is very safe for you to use. It has no side effects, no contradictions, so you guys do not need to worry about taking it. If you are having a difficult time and your sex drive is feeling down, and you have no stamina as well, that's where the Primal Grow comes in. Not only will it just increase your member, but it will also give you guys more urge, more stamina. It will raise your testosterone levels, and so much more, guys. Primal Grow is very safe to use. All right, just make sure that you are making constant use of it once you start your treatment. It is very important that you take this treatment seriously and use the Primal Grow every single day in order to obtain great results out of it. So, it is a natural treatment. Be patient with it, all right? The cool thing about Primal Grow is that it does offer you a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, you have 60 days to test out the supplement. Within 60 days, if you are unhappy with it or you don't see great results out of it, you go back to the official website to ask for a refund. The support team will help you get all your money back. So, this is like a way for them to show you that they are confident about their formula, that you won't be needing a refund, or if you do need one, they are here to help you guys out, and they will give you a refund, which is really great as well. Alright, so what are you waiting for? It is time for you guys to unleash that beast within you, right? It's time to up your sex drive, give your relationship a whole new, sex life, and also your partner will be very thankful. That is what I wanted to talk to everyone about. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any doubts, visit the official website or leave your questions in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to the channel to follow the next videos.